Today, we will focus on how to dissect price action and how to join the parties with the dominant side. Trading rallies or crashes could be one of the best ways to trade for the most traders. It is all about dedication and hard work. If you're ready, let's start. Rally after rally, pump after pump, and jump after jump. Last 2 weeks were actually quite crazy. So it is extremely natural to have these pullback days. If you look at the majors, you will see that totals are crashing, Bitcoin's pulling hard, and the USDT dominance rallying for the day. All these are natural correction movements after big pumps. For example, check this weekly Solana chart. Notice the bullish move on this coin with giant green candles and momentum imbalances. But today, it is resisting and struggling. Check the left side. Price rejected by this bearish imbalance at the moment. And the last 2 weekly candles made an SFP, the swing failure pattern. Now, my overall view is still bullish. However, the most recent price action at the moment is bearish, a significant temporary pullback. How about the daily chart? In this daily chart and the candlesticks, we made another SFP, tiny SFP recently, and then a strong break downwards. Then this got me thinking, why? Maybe the price is just seeking more fuel to go up. Look at this small imbalance and liquidity point below. It is quite possible price may crash further here to get more fuel before another leg of rally. Who knows? What about the momentum layout? What does it tell us? When you look at the 15 minutes, it is crashing really badly. And the sellers protected the crash by defending the highs. And this multi-imbalance zone is a quite great zone for a short idea. Why not? Let's go down to the 5-minute chart and talk more and how to take trades. Now let's see. This is the location of 30 and 45-minute imbalance steps. Do you notice something else? What a great SR flip location as well. Price is keep rejecting this PDL level, the Masterclass amplifier location of previous day low. And if you use a Fibonacci, then you will see that this is a nice discount area, actually exact location of the optimal trade entry. Then another small inner crash starts. Notice how the bullish imbalance fails and the bearish momentum imbalance takes over. This is quite a nice 2-hour setup idea here. I want to look at the wider perspective again one more time. Notice how the price taps and fills the 30 and 45-minute imbalances before the fall. Remember, higher time frames determine the direction and lower time frames will give you the entry. But check this out as well. Notice this 45-minute imbalance above. And notice the equal highs structured. How the price sweeps the liquidity and taps the imbalance before the prior rally. What a crash from now on, over $10. Remember, as a trader, you can long or short daily, and your bias and most recent price action must be updated every single day before trading. Okay folks, have a nice and chilling day. Do not overdo it. See you next time and please take care of yourself. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you